Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about cause of death for drowning in cold water is vagal inhibition is cause of death for drowning in cold water. Actually, when you put your legs in cold water, there will be reflex vagal inhibition. Not when a person puts his legs or when he starts drowning in cold water, then there will be reflex vagal inhibition resulting in cardiac arrest. This is called as hydrocution or immersion syndrome. Thank you and thank you for watching.